Hi there everyone, this is Vedic Astrology again. This is your August reading for the Trine, and if you know how I work here at Vedic Astrology, you will know that I aligned tarot with Vedic Astrology, so that I urge you to go on my website and look and see, what I have to offer. I do this out of love and respect for the Almighty Bhagwan. He has always assisted me, helped me in my time of need. Maybe not always what I want, but what I need. So, this is thanks to him. As you can see, I do this out of love, so that I ask that, you look at it and you deal with it and you see what you wish from the Almighty to give you that oomph in your life. So that here we are once again, August month. And this is my Lenormand pack that I usually utilize for the reading. Just a short summary. I don't do a specific reading because I don't have your information, as I always tell you, so that at the end of the day, if it resonates with you, fine. If it doesn't, that's also good. Because if I don't have your information, then I don't know anything about you, and there is nothing specific here for you. So that Trine, and recall Trine, you are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So Trine, here we have you. We have past, present, future, and the past tells me that you were always thinking about your home, your family, but you were at a crossroads. And what were you at a crossroads about? What was it that you wanted to go forward and thinking about your home, your comfort? Was it some kind of business? Was it some kind of issue? Because in the present here, we have a lot of dead ends, a lot of things not happening, a lot of things ending, a lot of conflict. You're cutting through a lot of things or a lot of issues in your way, so that whatever you were thinking about, now is the time that you are taking action. You are taking action by cutting out a lot of things, by bringing danger to yourself somewhat, because it's conflict, it's aggression, sometimes abuse. It may not be abuse in the physical sense, but it's there. And the coffin denotes something ending. At the end of the day, what does this say? It says finality. Something is ending, but there's light shining on the coffin, so that there is something that has to end, and you are seeing that. But ending these things of what you were thinking about, the road that you took in the past, the road that you took in the past has brought you to this, to tell you that there are a lot of things that you have to cut out. There are a lot of things that are coming to an end. There are a lot of things that will bring danger and aggression, or are bringing danger and aggression, because this is your present. And in the future, we see messages, we see news, documents, an anchor, which is stability, so that whatever you are doing here, whatever you thought about, whatever you are doing here, it has to happen for this, for the future, for stability to come in your life, for protection, for money, finances, for power, because this is what Bear is all about. And 10 of clubs is all about work. 10 of clubs, 9 of spades, 7 of spades. We have them here, and spades usually deal with, it's not one of the better cards in the pack, but at the end of the day, what do we acquire? What do we wish for? And whatever we are doing now, whatever abuse, aggression we have to portray, it's going to bring news, it's going to bring documents, it's going to bring stability, it's going to bring protection, finances. We are going to set roots, so that your past is influencing your present to bring you to your future. And this is where we are at. for you, Air Trine. And it is just, as I said, a synopsis, a summary, and it's not a do or die situation. It is one of the roads that you can take or should take or did take that will bring you here. So let us see what the moon is telling us. And the moon is all about your mental agility, your mental ability, your mental capability. So let's see what card this moon is going to think. And I usually just pick a random card for you. So let's see what the moon is telling us. Ooh, and the moon in Sagittarius. Be prepared to be adaptable, as plans you have laid may take an unexpected course. And this is the beauty of Vedic astrology. This is the beauty of tarot. Look at that. I've just read the cards for you in a particular way, and the moon card is just supporting what I've indicated to you. It's supporting that your adaptability, your moving from one phase to another to the future is what you are going through. It's telling you that the plans you have laid may take unexpected courses, and that is what is happening right now. But the future is there. The future is there with stability, with protection, with power, with leadership. So this is a positive for the future. Right now you may not be feeling so good. You made decisions in the past that are affecting you right now, that are bringing end and finality to a lot of things, but it is what you are required to do. This is your circle, this is your karma, this is your fate, this is your destiny. So Air Trine, this is your reading for August 2023.